welcome to my page. In our today's video, I'm going to give you an idea about downloading publications materials from the internet for free, which otherwise would be only functioning in a prepaid version. From time to time, when we must prepare any type of market analysis or just a publication report, we're usually looking for already existing materials. We must make a reference out of them, right? But in certain cases, these materials are just not available for everyone because the publishers definitely are making profit by selling them. And for this reason, what I would like to suggest as a solution is the Sci-Hub, the website of the Sci-Hub. Originally, it was developed by Russians, and from time to time, this website is just disappearing from the internet. So never be surprised if their address is changing, it is modified, they are always coming back, okay, from time to time. So when you would like to work with this website, the only thing you need here is to get the exact link of that publication or the DOI number. Let's give a try, okay? What I'm gonna do is I would like to test the system, and why not using my own publication for that purpose? As you can see, my personal publication, which appeared just 3 years ago in the Acta Economica periodics, you can purchase it by $25 price, which is indicated by the publisher here. However, I am just hunting down the DOI number or just the link itself. I'm making a copy out of it, going back to the Sci-Hub website, inserting it, and hitting the open button. Let's see what happens. Depending on your internet connection, the publication must appear for you totally from the first page to the last page. And as you can see, here we have it, the original publication, without even paying a cent for it, okay? So we are pretty happy now because we have all the results, all the materials that we would like to make a reference about. What might be a bit disturbing, on the left-hand side, there are a lot of ads from time to time, but never mind. My suggestion is to immediately save the publication because the system allows to save it, to even make a print out of it. So save it to your computer, and thus you can just get rid of all the ads here. So if you just think about the original idea that all scientific results or other market findings should be definitely available for people who are just not getting the possibility to pay for them an extra money, or if you're not part of a university or a company that has access to that through the company, you might be not getting even the possibility to take a look at those materials that you would be interested at, okay? So Sci-Hub is definitely a genius thing, I must admit. Guys, if you have no intention or no possibility to pay for all the existing, but from your point of view, useful materials, go to the Sci-Hub website, find it through Google. Just make sure that you have the correct DOI number or just the availability of the article, and here we go. This is the publication that you were looking for originally, okay? Hopefully this video was useful for you, and I'm just truly encouraging everyone to use Sci-Hub until it's available. Hopefully it will serve for a good purpose in the future, okay? Thanks a lot for your attention, and let's see each other in the next video. Goodbye.